Alright folks, welcome back to my channel, my Jamerican life. As you don't know, out in the woods, trying to be safe, so quarantining, have a fire light. My son eating ribs, my tear it up on your face. No mercy. One over there so I have headphone on. My name chicken, my ribs over there so. All kind of stuff, and of course, you gotta be on his phone. Yeah, can you hear? Like Rasmoko. Alright. So we out in the woods, you know, we got a little cabin, or a trailer, whatever you may call it, you know, with little lights. It's all going down, you know. Yeah. Fire light over here, sir. Nighttime style, you know. Wife about to light up something. So you have grilled corn on the side.
I'm sorry, you.
Do your thing. Do your thing.
What was that?
Nothing.
Oh my god, I thought something moving.
No, man.
Oh my god, it's a coyote!
Coyote.
Coyote. Miss Nikki, if it was a coyote,
I would have been gone.
yes.
Really?
Like my food would have been
Like
on
the
the
donkey,
ground.
but worse.
Oh yeah, when it was that donkey, we weren't scared. We just weren't going anywhere near it.
So I ran in the house.
I was just,
Fireman coming out.
no, and they jabbed
I
me.
see a local jump up and run. I was
Yep.
Oh, here he comes. Look, there we go.
What that? Those crazy ass people out here doing? Let's go check on these crazy ass people riding carts in the late night. Look at that. Look at them motherfuckers. Look at them. Riding cars late night. Y'all go get your stick and come on, let's go.
Come on. That's why deer in life be the way it is.
Yep. Fire time.
Can I use your vlog real quick?
Jordan, you tearing up. Boy, now rum.
Come on, little chefs. Stop being so scary.
Yeah, I'm out here after them thing, you know? Yeah, man.
Yeah, after s'mores, I'm gonna definitely brush them.
Them have the mosquito thing, what them call it, keep the bug away off. I don't use this shit. Mosquito know not to bite me. Yeah, man. Mosquito know not to bite me. Alright. Jordan, are you gonna light one too or no?
Marshmallow?
Yep.
Yeah, probably. You want the one. Or I hope that doesn't hurt your feelings. Because
What?
he made his choice.
The fire is gonna chase it away. Don't worry about that.
Yeah, you should have. Don't you try to speak?
Yeah.
You lost what you wanted. So it was a lesson.
Burn
to learn.
fire.
I've been doing it for the past few years now. I'm tired of doing it. I think deep down you know what's best for you.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Fun time, you know? This little boy has stuff up himself. Watch him. Jesus. Stuffing up himself. And Jaden, what is taking time to eat? Yep. I'm gonna light up some s'mores. Jaden, are you gonna light up too or no? Are you gonna light marshmallow?
Hold on, little spice down. I'm coming.
Extra marshmallows. Come on now.
Nighttime style.
This is gonna work. I feel it. Kiana, tell her, come on. Say you got fun.
She did that yesterday. She stayed up way longer than I did.
I was up at like,
I was slumped, girl. I heard y'all. I was just knocked out. Hold on, I'm coming
Yep.
here.
Light up time. They're doing their thing.
Anybody? Chocolate lots?
yeah.
You know how to make a s'more, boy?
Hold on. What you doing with the chocolate? No, you don't.
You need the marshmallow.
No,
You need the
put your
graham cracker.
marshmallow on your stick. The chocolate don't go on your stick.
Yeah, and you put the chocolate.
You put the chocolate on the graham cracker.
Yes, but you need to roast.
Y'all don't know how to do it?
Grab the marshmallows too. Bring, pass the bag around.
So my roast marshmallow.
Pass the bag around. See,
Those are the giant ones. Wow.
Will you give me a couple too?
swing it around here. Make it happen.
Sarah, be
Teamwork.
careful with the shoes. You know, I know this thing is hot.
I don't want your toes to be burnt, because then every time you walk, it's going to hurt.
And I ain't carrying you. You only want one?
I'm already hurt today.
You burning your marshmallow too? Oh my goodness, man. Oh my goodness, look at y'all.
Turn it around. You gotta spin it, Jordan, so it burn all sides, okay? Burning marshmallows.
Silly thing, you dig?
You did.
That's not good.
Marshmallows to be a little occasion this time.
That's the wife. Cheese and
wait,
biscuit.
It's burning.
Watch out, was such a daddy on fire.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Boy?
Heck yeah.
I need a...
Man, still over here, so feed fiend face. All that damn food. Ribs, chicken, burger.
Come for a taste, sir. Something you gotta do yourself.
Yeah,
Here go the marshmallow.
so they do it.
Right here.
Can you open this, please?
Hold the stick.
Do you want me to light it?
No. Y'all like brains. I know all that stuff.
It's supposed to be burnt.
Baby, this was washed, okay?
Okay.
No, not that burnt.
How long are you guys gonna be out here doing this?
It's black.
It's still soft on the inside.
You broke it. What's my grill?
I thought y'all just throw it away. Or you eat it?
I didn't eat it.
Pass the chocolate too, Pep.
Have chocolate to it? Oh, wow. Y'all melted on it or no?
Yeah, so I think you take the marshmallow. Yeah.
You see what
You
Kiara's
see how
doing?
she's doing it?
Yeah.
So you see she splashed it out.
But
Ooh.
she should have had the other cracker on
She
top.
did it wrong? Oh, so
Yeah, there you go. Smush it
should be a
down.
sandwich.
Yeah. And then you
Uh-oh.
have the chocolate in the middle too.
I don't know what that is.
Uh-oh. We all know Jada will have to say something.
Yep.
Jada, you burning that.
Mine is burnt too. I like it like that.
Pass the chocolate, sir.
Where is it? Just eat it, Jordan. You don't like marshmallows? Then what you doing?
Just drowning the game.
I usually peel it off so it can be gooey.
No.
So bright fire.
You want me to make you one?
Everybody doing their thing.
Any more chocolate?
Yes, we got bullshit chocolate.
Marshmallow thing.
There's some more in the fridge if we
There's
need
some
it.
right there. That's a whole pack. Hand me that to Hershey's sauce.
Kiana's scared of fire, Jermaine. That's why she don't do it.
Oh, that's good.
That's slick Rick.
Yep. Now that's slippery.
Yep.
You just thought Montel sounded like it.
Pop-up, pop-up, pop-up.
Watch that, sir. Watch that.
Jordan, where's your sandwich, Jordan?
I heard it started.
Why you have
He wasn't prepared. You had to set it up first before you put the marshmallow on.
What's that, Hershey's chocolate? The hell? Wait a minute. Does that have the nuts in it or no?
No.
Oh, because I would have taken it from you, snatch it and run.
Baby, don't be
I love the way the almonds in it. There's more in there?
Yes.
Let me get this away from you.
I got another pack in the refrigerator.
Oh,
I need it.
shit. I got it. Sorry.
They're in plastic. That's okay. That's a beautiful marshmallow on top of that little black spot.
Y'all with these light-skinned marshmallows. Y'all better put them marshmallows in the fire. Let them catch.
They don't know.
You know what? Somehow your temperature kind of dropped. You felt it, Jay? It was hot early in the morning.
It's supposed to be 70 degrees this evening.
It was hot earlier, and it just started dropping. Which I'm not complaining. Last night was hot.
It wasn't that bad here.
Man, yeah. When I was leaving Maryland, it
Y'all
was
was sitting in the house, right?
burning.
Leave it.
Jaden, use a hand and move it. Boy, you're so lazy. Yeah, nighttime
Jordan,
flex
you
in
gonna
the
let
woods.
it get, cool off, and then it won't be.
Only
easy
thing
to
that
push down
missing now
anymore.
is some ghost story.
You gotta do it while it's
Some
hot.
spooky story. Ooh.
I have one.
That's how.
I have a screen.
Yep.
So, my range. Up.
Very funny.
Gotta spill it, Jaden.
This one's not catching for some reason. There you go. Come to mama.
Poor marshmallow.
You said poor marshmallow?
You're eating
Stop,
yours.
Jordan.
I'm trying to put my stick down, but Jay's leg is in the
Here,
way.
here. Come here. Sir,
There we go. We're getting
learn how to
somewhere
use your
now.
words without yelling, sir.
I
Me?
told him multiple times.
Your brother. Watch your leg. Watch your leg. I'm gonna lay it right
Spin it
here.
around, Jaden.
That's how I like mine. But his still too light.
You hear me?
There we go.
Pay attention. Be careful, okay?
Fire lady. Dragon lady.
So they better play Candy Rain.
Hope that was with ODB.
Mariah.
Raging fire. Yeah.
Probably sleep.
Yeah,
You
man.
know what? That's what it is.
Night out in the woods.
She drank that whole bottle. To sleep.
Somewhat, probably.
Like the whole bottle?
Well, man.
Let's go, man.
Big man things.
Was that you, Jordan?
Raging
You know this
fire
song?
once more. Jaden, what you getting over there?
You hear that? You know this song.
Jaden Miller.
I'm not surprised with him. I be hearing what he listens to.
What's up?
This one right here. This is the one that